YouTube TV and YouTube Premium, same company, totally different services. If you've ever been confused about which one you actually need, this video will clear it up in under 2 minutes. Hit that subscribe button so you don't miss more quick tech breakdowns like this. Real quick, YouTube Premium is all about ad-free YouTube videos, background play on mobile, and YouTube Music. It's basically YouTube without interruptions. YouTube TV, that's a live TV streaming service, think cable replacement, with 100 plus channels like ESPN, CNN, and local networks. Completely different product. So here's what actually matters. Price YouTube Premium is $13.99 a month for individuals, $22.99 for families. YouTube TV costs $72.99 a month. Yeah, it's way more expensive because you're paying for live television. What you get? With Premium, you're watching regular YouTube content creators, vlogs, tutorials, just ad-free with downloads and background playback. YouTube TV gives you live channels, sports, news, cable shows, DVR with unlimited storage, 2 totally separate libraries. Device experience. Premium works seamlessly across phones, tablets, smart TVs, anywhere you watch YouTube. YouTube TV also works on all devices, but it's built for the traditional TV experience with channel guides and DVR functionality. The big catch. YouTube TV does not include YouTube Premium. You still get ads on regular YouTube videos even if you pay for TV. If you want both ad-free YouTube and live TV, you're paying for 2 separate subscriptions. Who needs what? Choose Premium if you watch a lot of YouTube creators, hate ads, or want music streaming included. Choose YouTube TV if you're cutting cable and need live sports, news, or network television. Choose both if you want everything, but that's over $85 a month. Bottom line, Premium is for YouTube content without ads. TV is for live television. They don't overlap. Don't pay for TV thinking you'll get ad-free YouTube. You won't. Pick based on what you actually watch. That's it. If this helped, smash that like button and subscribe for more quick tech explainers. Links to both services are in the description. See you in the next one.